Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you how to uh, insert any link in MS Word. Okay, so in this video, you can see here this is a resume. So there are different links that, like GitHub profile link, Medium link, LinkedIn, and others. So professional experience, you can put the link of your company profile. So this is the PDF of the resume I have created on the MS Word, and you can see here if I click on GitHub, so you can see my GitHub profile. Okay, so if I click on Medium, so you can see here this is the Medium profile. Okay, so links are working, so you can also insert this. So let's see how. Page, click on the header and Control C. After copying the link, come to the MS Word blank page. Okay, so just go to the insert. In insert you will find link, click over that. Okay, now in address bar click the link, Control V. Okay, then in text to display you can see here you can put as you wish, like I'm writing here link. Just you don't have to do anything. Just confirm that existing file or web page is selected. Now click on OK. Okay. Now I have created a link. So you can see here link is created. If so, you can see here the link. If you will press Control, then you can see the hand sign, and you can press the Enter. Then in MS Word, that will be redirected to you on the web page. Okay, so now, okay, so just like so you have inserted the link. Okay, so you can see here the link. Then if you, okay, yes, so now you can see here again I am creating it like a PDF. Save as and choose any file like this PC, okay, this PC desktop. Okay, and file name is LinkedIn. Okay, keep it that, and save as type PDF. Click over that, then save. Okay, now click over that. Okay, I have created the PDF file. Now click on. So you can see here whenever I am keeping there, you can see the sign of link. Click over that, then this will be redirected to the LinkedIn page. So you can see a LinkedIn page. In this way you can insert any link on the MS Word. And if you want to create files like PDF, so as you have seen I have created this resume. I have created a resume, and the links that were required I have inserted that link value. You can also do that. Okay guys, if you have liked this video, please like the video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you guys.